Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in Sosa's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making Haitian lasagna, so stay tuned and learn how to make it.
Hello, c'est Sosa's Kitchen. Jeudi, nous allons faire lasagna. Lasagna divisé en trois parties. Premièrement, nous avons meat là pour nous préparer. Nous avons sauce béchamel là pour nous préparer. And then, plus lasagna.
Hey everyone, so today we are making Haitian lasagna. We are breaking this up into three parts. First we're going to do the meat, then we're going to do the sauce to hold everything together, then we're actually going to put it all together and bake the lasagna. So first we're going to start with the meat section, and we are going to put 2 big spoons of oil in the pot.
That's the old-fashioned way. Lime.
So now we're going to add 2 crushed garlic cloves to the pot. And we actually had a lot of meat left over, so I would suggest what we're doing if you're making it for one pan, just take our ingredients and just cut it in half. And right now we're just waiting for the garlic to turn brown, and then once that turns brown, then we'll add other ingredients.
Ça son zone mauve mélangé avec lui.
And now we're just going to add a cut of French onion to the pot as well and just stir it all in.
Pour cuire. Avant de mettre meat.
So we're just going to wait for the onions to cook a little bit before we add the meat.
Baby, ça c'est meat là, mettez meat là.
So we're using 2 different ground meats, and I feel like that's why we had a lot of meat left over at the end. We are using ground beef and ground pork. You can use whatever type of meat you want. You don't have to use 2 full things of ground meat. You can use 1, or you can use half and half if you want to mix up your meat.
Okay, sel.
We did 1 tablespoon of salt.
Cayenne pepper. Half.
A half tablespoon of cayenne pepper.
The meat. Moi use tomato paste et miel. Si vous voulez miel, ou capable prendre ragout, ou capable prendre prego, n'importe ça vous voulez. OK, n'a plus 2.
So now we are adding tomato sauce. You can use any type of tomato sauce you want. We are adding 2. Once again, we did have a lot of meat left over, so cut the ingredients in half if this is only for 1 pan.
Deux tasses d'eau.
And then after that, we are going to add 2 cups of water.
thym, persil,
Now we're gonna add tied up parsley and thyme.
un piment.
And of course a hot Scotch bonnet
Sous
pepper.
du feu, sous 3. Very low. Par contre, la pomme, une temps et demi, 2 heures de temps. I let you know, guys. On va le couvrir.
So now we're covering our pot. We're gonna put the stove on very low and let it cook for about an hour.
Moitié green pepper. Je prends moitié sweet onion. Je prends moitié red pepper. Je vais le racher en deux pour me capable baker là-dedans pour fast.
So now she's just gonna take half of the green pepper and the red pepper and onion and cut it while the meat's cooking.
Mes sauce là. Onion, red pepper, green plus onion. Okay. That's it. That's it. Nous allons virer pour phase 2.
So step 1 is done. Let's move on to step 2. So now we're going to make the sauce that's going to hold your lasagna together.
On va supposer mettre son gros du feu. Son petit du feu, tout doucement. On bat tomber.
So during this step, you don't want to have your heat on too high. You want to have it at a low heat. So first step, we're going to add a stick of butter.
On va virer. Ça c'est bien. Baking farine.
And now she's going to slowly add 2 spoonsful of flour. And just make sure it's not lumpy and mix it all in together.
Ça c'est béchamel.
What's that mean?
The cream. Cheese,
if you want to add cheese in this step, you can. It's optional, up to you. And now we add in 2 cups of whole milk.
Deux tassettes de cuillère farine, un bâton d'eau. On va mettre le système. Un pincé.
A little bit of salt, like a pinch of salt.
It's better to put the milk warm than cold milk.
You could speed up this process a little bit if you add warm milk instead of cold.
What's the bechamel sauce? Okay, that's the bechamel. That's it for this one. La deuxième phase. So, kounye la nou pral atake
we are turning off the stove. Second phase is done. On to the last phase, number 3. Let's get it.
Ok, res sos tomate la mde kite nan vide lan sa. Mwen met ton cuye l'huile la dan pou l'va boule.
So at the bottom of the pan, we are just going to add the little bit of tomato sauce that was left, and we're going to put some oil as well so it doesn't burn at the bottom.
Kounye la, m'achete sa, li tout prepare, mwen pa bezwen bouye la. Mwen gen cheese sa, mwen gen Parmesan cheese, ou ka pa achete n'importe sa ou vle ya. Plus, m'achete men cheese la, fem 3 cheese.
The lasagna pasta that we're using was already oven ready, so we did not need to boil it first. So we're just going to use that. And then the type of cheese we're using, we have 2 kinds of mozzarella. One is the slices and one is shredded. And then we also have like shredded Parmesan. So now we are just going to layer the lasagna on the bottom of the pan, and you want to make sure you cover the full bottom. And then you are going to put the meat sauce on top of the lasagna, and you want to make sure you cover that well as well. And now we are sprinkling some Parmesan cheese on top of that. Then you're going to add your sauce, and that's going to help it like stick together so it doesn't fall apart as easily. And then from there, we are going to add some mozzarella slices on top. Then once you layer your mozzarella slices, you're just going to repeat the steps. Our pan is not that deep, so we're just going to do this step one more time. Okay, all set. And then the last step, she's gonna sprinkle the shredded mozzarella. And then after that, she's gonna put the mozzarella slices on top. So we have to use 2 things of mozzarella slices to pack it. We are now covering it with aluminum foil, and aluminum foil also helps give it the nice like brown, like golden look on top of your lasagna.
$3.50 for 1 hour.
Our oven is preheated already, and it's at 350 degrees. So this is what it looks like when it came out the oven. We waited about 10 minutes for it to cool down, and then we plated it and took a picture, and everyone else ate. So try this at home. Let us know how it comes out, and thanks for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks so much, guys.